That's right. I'm back, baby. So, like I was saying, I'm back, kind of back. So right now, status update. Here's what we got going on. My four-wheeler's broken. I think my four-wheeler being broken is gonna keep me from getting in the mud. It's freaking crazy. I'm gonna get out in the mud. I'm gonna get out in these trails, even if they're right here at the house. I'm going. I got a new job. I moved to a new state, Oklahoma. Can you say downgrade? Come on now. Don't know where to ride at around here yet. And like I said, my bike's down, so I've been having to make up my ATV and stuff and my mudding in other places. All right, we're gonna pin it to win it this time. Woo! First off, check out this backyard. How freaking awesome is this? It's almost like being out in the woods, being out there. I can see the long night just sitting out there with the four-wheeler revving it up, you know, pissing the neighbors off. There's plenty of poison ivy out there too, so that's another reason why I got the suit on. Because I got these awesome FINNTRAIL waders. I've only taken them out once, and you haven't even gotten to see the video of that yet. I'm working on it. I know I'm backlogged right now. But I've only worn these once, and it was in the springtime, and it was a little warm outside. And these are breathable, but the Texas heat is nothing to play with, so. Anyways, the fall time's coming, so once I get my bike done, I'll be able to get out there and ride again. So ever since I got these waders, I've been looking for every excuse to wear them. Freaking mosquitoes everywhere out here, so they keep me safe because I don't want Zika.
I got West Nile.
It was West Nile, that's what it was. Yeah, Zika would have been really bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I could use a nap.
You could use a nap?
Yeah, if I got paralyzed and came back, I'd be okay.
Oh shoot! So, yeah. So these mosquitoes out here are out of control. I think you need a tennis racket to knock these things down. They're freaking ridiculous. They're everywhere. They're all over the place. Well, anyways, this helps out a lot. I'll show you some clips of the front yard. Yeah, that's right. That's my little off-roading park right now. All that mudding right there. See all that mudding right there? I'm gonna freaking get all dirty, but stay clean at the same time. That's all I'm talking about. That's FINNTRAIL waders for you, baby.
I did all of that. I did
all
this.
Oh yeah, yeah, I really didn't do any of that. Okay, I did. Okay, the part I did was, see there where that one brick is right there. I went from there to the curb, so about 2 feet. Did about 2 feet of digging. I've been inside in the AC doing electrical work. Oh, I forgot to put my belt on.
I thought this was gonna be an opportunity for you to brag about how skinny you got.
Oh yes, and not to brag,
Slim
but
chicken.
I'm gonna brag. Used to be about a size 40, now I'm about a size 36. That's right. I'm sure y'all are all about to say that, but I'll go ahead and say it. So these might be a little baggy on me now, but it's okay. Okay.
I did all of that.
Okay, okay. All right, maybe I didn't do any of that, but I walked through it. I walked through it with my waders, and I stayed clean. I stayed real clean. Sorry, mosquitoes everywhere. But been doing all kinds of things, and I've been doing stuff like
in comfort,
in style. I mean, come on, look at that. Look at that. Anyways, I've been doing things like chopping wood. Mowing the lawn.
Complaining?
Huh?
Complaining?
Complaining. I've been complaining. Letting the dogs out. You know, my dogs. Even they got a little bit of swamp ass sometimes, you know. They gotta relieve themselves. Watering the grass. No, not watering the grass. You already saw me water the grass earlier. I built that fence right there. No, I didn't really. That was actually our a-hole neighbors. That's a long story. I'll tell you about it another time, maybe. Got a new toy. Got a toy hauler. So whenever we go out there and ride, I'm about to give y'all a little tour of the toy hauler. That's right, toy hauler. It's an older one, don't worry. It's not that fancy, but it's pretty fancy.
It's fancy.
It's pretty damn fancy. It's enough for the old small pass, you know. It'll fit the Rubicon. It'll fit the Rubicon, all right. And what else we got going on? hate it, man. Like, got the old Troy built riding lawnmower here. About to upgrade the tires. Thinking about going with some mud bugs, you know. Give me a little bit better traction out here in the lawn. Got the light bar. I don't have a switch on it, but all you gotta do is touch the hot wire and, well, it's up there somewhere. There we go. There it is. Yeah, that's right. Got a cup holder. I can adjust the ground clearance right here. Look at that. Go down, go up. We need the high lift and lift here when you got that. Got the halogen lights, non-power steering, so less things gonna go wrong. Man, I can clear out the trails while I'm out there. Come on. And it's an automatic transmission, I'll give you that. I wish it was manual, but it's automatic. It's the only fault of this thing. But you got some torque. Next upgrade the tiger tail in the back. You can throw in a tiger tail back there so I can pull Shorty out. That's right. That's what you do when you move to Oklahoma. You upgrade. Look at that grip I got. I'd like to see you do that in some regular waders. That's right, you can't do that.